How to invite someone to FPL League. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Make sure that you have installed a PL application on your device, launch your PL app, and get logged into your FPL account. Then tap on to Fantasy at the bottom bar. At this page, you will see Leagues and Cups. Here tap on Configure Leagues. As you do so, you will see Invitational Classic Leagues. Now choose the leagues that you would like to send the invitational code with. For instance, if you would like to choose this one, you have to tap on to Settings option and then tap on Invite Friends. Then tap on Copy Auto Join Link. And now the link has been copied. Go ahead and share this with your friends and send them invitational code, and that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.